Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best paintball markers that are available on the market for their true quality and performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, this list has something for everyone. Even check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 3, we have the Mad Dog Tippmann Cronus Tactical Protective Paintball Gun Marker Starter Package, a comprehensive all-in-one kit that's perfect for new players who want a full setup right out of the box. This package includes the Tippmann Cronus Tactical Marker, paired with essential accessories like a 48 3000 HPA compressed air tank, a Proto Primo hopper, anti-fog goggles, padded chest and neck protectors, tactical gloves, and a 4+1 harness with paintball pods. The Cronus Tactical Marker itself combines high performance with incredible durability, featuring a high-impact composite body and molded rubber grips for enhanced control. The design of the Cronus Tactical is lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to handle during extended play sessions. It comes with multiple Picatinny rails, allowing players to add accessories like scopes or grips for customization. The 10-inch ported barrel and vertical grip provide solid accuracy and stability, making this marker a reliable option for scenario-based gameplay. While the marker itself is great for entry-level players, the added protective gear makes this package a fantastic value for those who want to play safely and comfortably. The Mad Dog Tippmann Cronus Tactical Package is ideal for beginners who are new to paintball and want a complete gear setup without the hassle of sourcing individual components. On the downside, the tank ships empty and must be filled before use, and the marker's performance is better suited for recreational play rather than competitive matches. Still, this bundle offers excellent value and convenience, making it a top choice for newcomers to the sport. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Empire Mini GS marker in Dust Olive, Dust Red. Priced at $329.69, this premium option is packed with advanced features that make it a favorite among competitive players. Its pressure-controlled poppet engine delivers exceptional power and efficiency, ensuring smooth, consistent firing with every shot. The integrated brake beam anti-chop eyes prevent paintballs from jamming or breaking in the chamber, making it a reliable choice for fast-paced gameplay. The design of the Mini GS is compact and sleek, with a wraparound foregrip that enhances control while protecting against the elements. The aluminum frame and metal barrel provide durability without adding unnecessary weight, making it perfect for high-action matches. The multiple adjustable firing modes, including semi-automatic, ramping, and burst, give players the flexibility to tailor their shooting style to their preferences. Additionally, the venting ASA regulator, with an on-off lever, simplifies air control and tank installation, while the through-grip air transfer system eliminates external hoses for a clean, streamlined look. The Empire Mini GS is best suited for advanced players or those looking to compete at a higher level. Its precision, efficiency, and customization options make it worth the investment, though beginners may find its advanced features a bit overwhelming. The price point is the highest on our list, but the performance and reliability make it a top-tier marker that's hard to beat. If you're serious about paintball and want the best gear, the Mini GS is the clear choice for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right paintball marker for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy paintballing!